Hello, 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 hello. How is everyone doing? So, I am here because guess what? Guess what? Dun dun dun. Yeah, buddy. I got it. And this month I was correct. This month is Luxe. So I got a whole bunch of goodies in here. I'm going to look at them all with you. So stay tuned for that. Yay! Alright, time for our Boxycharm opening. So let's just do a little story time real quick. I just want to let you know why I get so excited for Boxycharm, because I am on a budget, so I can't really go out and spend that much money on makeup and everything. So and like I said, I'm not sponsored. This is not a sponsored. This is just someone that really enjoys Boxycharm talking about Boxycharm. It's $25 a month. If you want to get Luxe, it's like an extra 24, I think, or something like that. So it is the one thing that I get for myself. Like everything else goes to bills, groceries, kids, and I'm not one to just spend a bunch of money on myself. So this is like my one thing that I have, and it's just, I don't know, I just get excited about it, and I enjoy it. So let's start with the if I don't pronounce these right, we all know I can't read that well. No, I can, but in front of people I always stumble my words, so sorry. Oh my. So this one is it's Byroe. It's BYROE, and it's tomato serum. So tomato serum is a powerful treatment that contains gently exfoliating tomato extract, brightening vitamin C, and collagen boosting peptides. It transforms your skin into a brighter, more youthful, more youthful version of itself, while imparting a healthy, luminous glow. Honey, this thing is $150, so that just paid for my Boxycharm right out the box, like literally. So it's this stuff here, and I don't have any makeup on, so I like to do these without makeup so I can try them and just see how these things are, and you know, just kind of go with that. So here is good. It's a nice. Let's put it to the side here. Let's see what it smells like. I wonder if it smells like tomatoes. No, it doesn't. Because I was like, I don't want to smell like ketchup. Right, only I would say that, right? Only I. Oh, and it has like a little thing. It has this little thing at the top that pushes that out. Nice. It doesn't have really strong scent to it at all, which I like it. I'm just putting a little bit on my face to see how it feels and see how it does. It doesn't have a strong scent, which I like. Nice. Okay, so that was that one. Next one is Eloise Beauty, the Queen eyeshadow palette. Oh, honey child, a palette. Oh, make my day. And it is retailed $46. And it's the Queen's palette, possesses immense energy of life, femininity, and strength. Each color tells a story. Each color holds infinite power and carries a unique narrative. Our highly pigmented colors, which are suitable for all range of skin tones, which I love, are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time from the past to the present, an era of femininity, grace, and power. A queen lies in all of us. Oh, how I love that. So it retails for $46. So I love it. And this is the, look at the palette. It is beautiful. Beautiful palette. Beautiful. The outside, this is right there. Beautiful. Got the little, take that out. I mean, look at those colors. Let's just swatch a few. Let's do Jewels. What am I gonna do on my hand? Oh my, look at that, look at that. All right, that is beautiful. Now look at Your Highness. That's what I like everyone to say. Yes, Your Highness, yes. I mean, these colors are magnificent. So excited to try that out. I mean, look at my fingers. Like, I should have brought baby wipes up here because everyone knows I have a shit ton. I got a bunch of kids, but oh well. I'll just have colorful fingers, I guess. Don't mind me. I think I've had too much coffee this morning. And just so you guys know, like, I seriously do my videos at nap time. so I'm doing rather earlier than most. Oh right, so the next one is Persona Cosmetics, the lip gloss. Where is it? Found it. I love lip gloss. Ooh, okay, so this one is retailed $16. It says, remember the first time you wore lip gloss and how it made you feel? Sultry, effortless, and instantly refreshed. We took that magic feeling of a gloss, eliminated the tacky glittery gooiness and added nourishing oils to create a comfortable high shine formula that you actually want to wear. Oh, well, that just sounds just perfect. Oh, I hope it's a color I like. Can we say yes? Can we say yes to the gloss? Oh my gosh. Can we just say yes to this? We say yes. We say yes. Okay, the next one is, holla at your girl. The next one is some Fenty. Can we say that? Can we say Fenty? Hey. It's Fenty. It's in Kilowatt. And it is Highlighter Duo. It retails for $36. Light up where you want, when you want, with weightless, long wear cream, powder hybrid highlighters that range from subtle day glow to insanely supercharged in solos and expertly paired duos that instantly melt into your skin and blend with almost zero effort. $36 retail. This is a nice one this month. I'm excited. I can't open it though. There, got it. Oh, okay. So one side is, I don't know if you can tell by the thing, one side is more, you know, oomph than the other. So let me, it's a highlighter. So can you kind of see the, I want to cover up my watch. Can you kind of see the glow there? Look at that. Nice. Should I put some on my face? Well, we'll see. We'll see. Maybe I'll do it in my next video or something. Might use it in my next video. Okay. Alright, so next is, oh, gravity weighted sleeping mask. What is this? Y'all, if y'all can see, like, what is this? This looks like some futuristic, I don't know. It looks like a fanny pack. Look. Sorry. It for real does. That's hilarious. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna stop being goofy. Alright. Don't get me, guys. I'm being goofy. So I'm going to take off my glasses and put this on my face. It is a, hold on, let me put my glasses back on so I can read. This weighted sleep mask uses the same science behind the gravity weighted blanket to give your face the perfect pressure stimulation. It also blocks out light and feels amazing thanks to the combination of gray micro plush and imitation cashmere. Okay. Oh, and you can take it out and wash it. It has a little zipper thing right here where you can take it off and wash it. Let's see. Let's see. If I'm laying down, will I feel? Do I feel weighted? Okay. It definitely makes it super dark. Definitely. Okay, well, that was interesting. I never expected to get something like that at a Boxycharm. I wonder how much this is. $40. Y'all. Wow. Okay. All right. I'm going to try this out. Tell y'all how I slept. Sorry I got so loud with the $40. I was like, $40? What are y'all talking about? Oh. Okay. Okay, so this is, the next is a Pure, the Collection Authority Signature Travel Essentials 12-piece cruelty-free brush set. 12? With a luxurious blend of irresistible soft synthetic fibers, each brush is designed to pick up and distribute makeup evenly and precisely with less fallout. These professional quality brushes have everything you need to create a flawless look on the go. 12? I've never gotten this many brushes. Like most of them, they, oh my gosh. For real, 12. Let's take one out and feel. Okay. I don't know if you guys are like me. Like, I get so confused on which, like, if it don't tell me, I'm glad it has these numbers, but I don't know what they mean. But it don't tell me, like, what each thing is used for. I get, like, low-key, like, confused. So, they got eyeshadow ones, too, for your eyes. Okay. Okay. Let's see what this one feels like on your face. They're soft. They're soft. I'll see if they'll be my go-tos. But the case, I mean, y'all, the case is too cute. Like, when you're, ain't nobody traveling now, but if you do, when we do start traveling, this would be perfect on the go case to take. And it's hard, so like it won't squish like some of the other ones, you know. So that's really good. And then here is a bright a 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening. Oh, did I not say the price? The price of this is $49. $49. Okay. So 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask 5-pack. The ultimate pre-event mask. This hydrogel formula infuses the skin with radiance boosting ingredients for a glowing complexion. y'all, $135. So just those, just the tomato serum and this pack of 5. I mean, that paid for, I mean, that, oh my gosh. Wow. 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 Can I say wow again? Okay, I'm gonna have to try these out. This is what they are, and this is what these are. Why did I just sound country ever? I'm not gonna take them out, but there's like these little masks. Oh, I'm gonna have to try it and tell you guys how I liked it. That is so cool. So cool. I feel like it's Christmas. Yay. Okay. Cure Therapy Deep Conditioning Mask. That's what the next one is. This intense, nourishing, and hydrating treatment revives hair that has been dried or damaged by environmental or styling stresses. Jojoba, walnut, and chestnut oil penetrate deeply into the hair, resulting in unparalleled moisture, strength, elasticity, and brilliant shine. $24. Oh, so this is what I've been smelling. Yep. Because as soon as I opened this up, I was smelling like something that smelled so good. Oh, this smells good, and it's I love getting hair stuff. So I guess you let it, when you wash your hair, you leave this in for 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse. And it says you can use with heat to intensify the results. Like, you know, like put in like a plastic little bag thingy and like blow dry it and stuff, just to get that, you know, salon look, kind of like healthy, you know, salon stuff here. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, y'all. Well, that is all for this Boxycharm opening. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you guys want to ask how any of these products went, just let me know. I will definitely keep you guys updated, because this was a really nice one. I'm kind of excited about it. And then if you want me to try any of these things out, just let me know. All right. And like I always say, if you don't feel that love today, if you don't feel it, love yourself. Always do. Today, yesterday was a hard day for me. So what I did was I just looked myself in the mirror and I said, you know what? I love you. If you don't feel loved, I love you. And I know it seems and sounds so simple, and I know you probably get tired of me saying that to you each time, but it's like, it's something that we take for granted. Like, we don't realize that we can be our own cheerleaders, and we can cheerlead the fuck out of, we can cheerlead the heck out of things for ourselves, and we don't need anybody else to do it. If they're not doing it, do it yourself. Love yourself. Cheer yourself on. Do what makes you happy. Do you, boo. Do you. All right. Well, you guys have a great rest of your day, evening, night, and bye-bye. See you later.